Hey there, my gorgeous goddesses. Welcome back to Bliss Hits. Today, I want to talk to you about what do women bring to the table, especially women over 50. Women in the second half of their lives bring so much to the table, and we are being negotiated with and shortchanged by the people that we love the most. And it's important that we wake up to this. We have hidden our beautiful desires under the hustle of life and scampering to the top of our careers and really making our parents proud of us, yet we feel empty inside, unseen and unmet. It's because we don't know what we bring to the table, so we listen to everyone outside of us, especially my single ladies. The dating field is tough for us, women that are dating in their 50s, 60s, and 70s, because we trained our men to be boys, and now they're coming to us as boys. So instead of getting angry, what we're going to do is we are going to remind ourselves what we bring to the table. And instead of telling the men around you what you deserve, you're just going to hold your standards so high that instead of moving from your standards, you move from the question, what am I available for? This is a very important question, and I talk about this in my Keys to Connection class. We're currently going over the framework of having these conversations with ourselves, all the parts of ourselves. What I'm available for and what my standards are two different things. And I really congratulate the women out there that are raising their standards, because you should. Your standards should be as high as you can possibly think they should be. But what I want you to look at is I want you to look at what you will settle for, what you're available for, and what you wish you were are two different things. So let's talk about the things that women over 50 bring to the table. We bring emotional resilience. Emotional resilience, we've been through the shit. We've been through the ups and downs. We've been through the deaths, the births, the breaks, the breakups, the heartbreaks, the family treachery, the misguided loyalties. We've been through a lot of that. And that has made us more resilient women. What I want you to adopt in this new phase of your level up is not just being able to pivot, but seeing yourself as the matriarch of your family, seeing yourself as the matriarch of his family. If he is going to convince you that he is the man for you, he needs to see that you offer value and legacy, not just fun. Fun comes in a safe container. Emotional resilience is knowing when to say no and walk away from men that just can't offer it to you, or from family members that if you ever stopped texting, you would probably never hear from them again until they needed something else. Or the emergency phone calls in the middle of the night that you are no longer available for. Unless you have children in your life under the age of 18, you shouldn't be available for anyone in your time. Emotional resilience in depth understands that. She understands that she's not just available for everyone, and that's what makes her gold. All right, knowledge and wisdom. We don't just come to the table with several degrees, decades of actual blood, sweat, and tears in corporate life or in our career. We've raised children. We've managed households. We've managed several households. We've been able to grow and support And now we have all that knowledge to move forward, to allow our man to do whatever he wants because we become his muse rather than just another mouth to feed. We become a mystery in his life instead of just constantly being available. Same thing with our families. And in our working career, we find that we are no longer available for after hours work, even if we are salaried. Our knowledge and wisdom gives us the audacity to speak up for ourselves. I think it was over 40 when I decided I don't care anymore, and definitely over 50. My identity answers to me, not to everyone around me. And that's not just maturity, it's an identity shift. And when you see yourself as the gold, you move in a very different way, where your standards never need to be said. They're just understood by the people around you. All right. The last thing I want to talk about is curiosity and purpose. Women, especially in the second stage of our life, we have gained the time through retirement. We have gained the health because we are no longer able to carry children, therefore die. We have the time and the space to offer this wisdom, to feed our legacy with the beautiful values that we want to carry on into the next generation. Men of value know this. Men that do not value the wisdom that you are going to carry forward in their lineage to heal their lineage as well as yours, those men fall quickly, because you're not available for men that are not available for you. Your curiosity brings fun into the mix. And your purpose, because women are brilliant, can braid with his so that you can support him and be his muse as he strives for something better in your life or his life. And guess who is going to benefit from that? You. And when you benefit from him, guess who benefits from that? Him. And that is the infinity loop. So, when somebody asks a woman over 50, what does she bring to the table? Just sit back and smile like a cat and go, I wonder. And let that conversation sit in their mind. All right, ladies, if you're looking for a container where we dig deep and we start moving the self-identity forward instead of being stuck where we are because we're comfortable or happy or scared, check out my Yumminess Revolution. All right, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because our ripple effect is going to heal the world. So let's start it now. Ciao.